Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Tesla stock. And did the bulls saved Tesla? And are we good to go back up again? Is that's what the price action telling us today? Let's take a look at in this video through the lens of technicals. And before going further, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So there were certain areas that I mentioned yesterday because we did lose a structure yesterday, right? So on the daily interval, that level would come around at 313. This was on the overall structure, 313 and 50 cents. This was on the overall structure, the last line of defense for the bulls, and they did hold. So where did we get the confirmation that things were turning around again in the favor of the bulls? Let's get to the hourly interval. So right over here, I'm going to turn on my another tool just because it will be very easy to explain and also for you to trade that way, right? So let's turn the other tool on, and you can see we started to turn around the structure bullish this morning. As you can see, last 2 days we were already negative, and today we turned around bullish and continued up. So technically your strength started to come right up from here. That was, well, that's when the structure turned green. That's where the strength was regaining itself. And then extra confirmation was above 321 for the near term. Now, and also 5 minutes would give you extra confirmation. Let's get to the 5 minutes interval as well. And then let me turn on my tools. You can see we got above the cloud, remained in the green structure. We are still in the green structure. This is all your bullish play. Time to enter is closer to the cloud, and when the structure is turning green and you are technically still in the position, definitely I suggest keep taking partial profits, especially around these significant levels. I'm marked by my tools all by itself, and that will help you to make more profits. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description of this video. They're Patreon links that will give you access to the tools. Details are over there. Check those out. Now, what from here on Tesla? As I said, yes, bulls have saved Tesla. And from here on, our bias intraday multi-day is already bullish. Definitely, as I said, extra confirmation was about 321. Strength started to came right up from here. And then extra confirmation happened above 321 area. Now, as long as we hold above 321, we will remain in this newly gained intraday uptrend at least, and this can continue into multi-day uptrend. But now we need to hold up, continue to stay above 321. We are already in the play, as I just showed you in my tools. We are already in the play, and we are already continuing up. Our still the next target right now remains 333 and 50 cents area. The blue box up there. We'll still have to take it out, but as we test it multiple times, there's likelihood that this third or fourth time we will end up breaking through it. But we definitely are not fully out of the woods. I would suggest stay mostly intraday or multi-day trades on Tesla at this point. For the very long-term trade or a long-term continuation, you would need to see it break above 333. Until then, keep your trades only intraday multi-day based on as the price action is telling you, and my tools will help you in all of that. So are we all good? Well, we are good enough for back again to be in the bullish structure, as I said, on intraday multi-day. Are we good enough for continuing up to 375, $400? Well, for that, I'll still need to see it break out above 333 area. Okay, that still remains the case. And anytime, even if it still lose like 321 I gave you, yes, the weakness will be back again. It's important to trade with the structure, and structure will weaken again below 321. And then 313 and 50 cents area is still the area where if we lose that and close below it, it's overall very weak. So, but 321 below will the weakness would start to happen already. That's your early signs. Otherwise, you're just fine. All right, guys, that's all I had for you in this video. A very quick update. And wow, well, on my Patreon, there is one stock we just took a play this week. Oh, and it's going supernova. Anyways, those details are for the tools and my other Patreon coverage that I do with the members. Check out the details in the description of this video. All right, see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.